Today I will introduce to you Yagorico. It's hot and spicy fish egg with sweet potato flavor. If this is not interesting, I don't know what it is. Moin moin, my name is Martina. I'm living in Japan. Japan is my home because my husband is Japanese. So this my husband brought from one of his business trips. The package is red, the brand is Calbee. It looks like little French fries to me. And down here there are people in most probably karate outfit with giraffe heads, whatever that means. And there are 8 packages inside. The calories are 99 calories per 100 gram, I assume, because I can't see this. The expiry date is 19th of February 25. So these are 6 years from now. Oi, oi, oi. So I will open it. As it said, 8 packages. Oh, the little giraffe plays taiko. Yeah, fish egg. It's fishy. Fish egg, yes, for sure. It tastes a little bit fishy and sweet potato. What a strange taste. Not that it's totally disgusting, but it's not my taste. I mean, I can eat it. Would I buy it again? No, but I would buy it to let other people taste it because it's very unique. You cannot really complain about the fishy taste. Yeah. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this episode. Every Monday I do a Japan snack or food review. If you're interested in it, please tune in again next Monday. And Thursday I have a travel video for you. Please let me know what you think down in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell button to get notified when I upload a new video. And I see you next time. Tschüss!